fun fact, I just recorded this lecture and didn't hit the record button, so you guys couldn't hear me. So we are redoing this part. Okay, so we're talking about alignments. Okay, so we have what's called justify. So I'm going to show you there's 3 different ways we can use the different alignments because they're so common. Okay, so I'll show you all 3 the first time, and then the rest I'll just show you the easiest one, and then you guys can just know that the other option is also there. Okay, so let's say I want to justify this paragraph, right? I can click anywhere in the paragraph, and then these are the different options up here. Okay, so if I hover over it, justify, align right, align middle or center, and then align left. Okay, so if I want to justify, I just click that justify button, and it lines up those words so that they're perfectly in line with each other. Okay, so like right here, for instance, if I want to justify that, click in here. The other way, instead of just hitting this button, I can also go to the paragraph dialog box launcher, and then alignment, I can do justified. Okay, and so then again, it lines it up perfectly. Okay, and then the last option is just the shortcut, which actually if you hover over each of these, it tells you what the shortcut is. So you can see it says Control R for aligning right, Control J. So I'm just going to hold Control and J. Okay, and then it automatically aligns it. Okay, so again, those are 3 different ways that we can do the alignments, right? So if I want to align it, let's say I want to align it left now, right? It's already aligned left, right? So I can see that those are already aligned left. If I want to do center, right, hit the center button. That's the easiest way in my opinion. I don't remember those shortcuts, so I just always use these if I want to choose the different alignments. Okay, so that should be able to help you with alignments. Okay, and then last thing I want to cover is vertical alignment. Okay, so let's go ahead and I just want just this. Okay, so I want to make it so that this is lining up in the middle and just expands up and down, right? Like perfectly in the middle. So what I need to do, I need to click on the layout tab, page setup dialog box. I want to make sure I'm in the layout tab on the dialog box for page setup. Vertical alignment is where I change it to be centered. Okay, so I just want it vertically aligned centered. So then when I click OK, it automatically puts it there. And then as I type, right, so I just keep typing so many typings, it just is expanding to make sure that it's always in the middle. Okay, so that's how you do the vertical alignment, making sure that that's center. Okay, next thing we'll talk about is how to shade a paragraph, add borders and such. All right, so watch the next video when you're ready.